Hello guys, welcome back to MyGo Minds. So in this video, let us write a program where you can find the greatest number among three numbers. Okay, so before that, what exactly greatest number means? So if there are groups of numbers or set of numbers, so the number which is having the highest value will be the greatest number, right? So like, what is the greatest number among three numbers? What do you mean by that? It is nothing but number with highest value among three numbers is the greatest number. And how to find a greatest number? You need to sort. So this is something which comes when you have like collection or else a group of like multiple values. So first for that you have to sort that particular list or something in descending order, and then you have to find out the first index element, which is index of 0. Then you can find out, because descending order is something which is highest to the lowest, right? So that is why you have to go for descending order and find the first value for first index element. Okay, so which operators do we use in order to find out if a number is greatest or not? So it is always greater than, right? And is something where you'll be using if you are having more than one digit. So since okay, I'll tell you by using a program. So let us take this example. A is equals to 50, B is equals to 20, C is equals to 90. Okay, so how do you find out the greatest number? So if like for C is equals to 90, we have to do C greater than A and C greater than B. So for this particular condition, if it is true, then if this becomes true, then we can print that C is the greatest number among A, B, C. Okay. So let us write the program. Now let me take a variable name A is equals to int is something for an integer value, and I wanted to take the input from the user. So input, enter the first number. Okay, enter the first number. So I'll just copy this, and since we are writing for three numbers, I wanted to take input for like three different numbers. So let's say this is B and this is C, this is second, and this is third. So among these three numbers given by the user, so let us find out which is the greatest number. For that we have to use condition statements, which is if. Okay, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then what? Then, which means that print A is the greatest number, right? So A is greatest. So here something which is like A is greater than B and A is greater than C, it is only checking for A. So I wanted to check if it is like B for B also. For that we have to use elif statement, where the second condition B is greater than A and B is greater than C. Okay, so for this which means that just I wanted to print what so B is greatest, right? So let me just copy this and print paste here. So here B is greatest. So next condition is what? If A is not greater, B is not greater. Of course, the final is that C will be the greatest number. So nothing, there is no condition else. C is greatest. That's it. Okay. So let me run this program. So what? Enter the first number. So let me give 10. Enter the second number 20. And enter the third number. So since we know the 30 is the greatest number among 10, 20, 30. So let us check programmatically if it is giving correctly or not. Yes, C is the greatest. So let me again run this. Okay, for this time let's say, okay, let me give 20, 60, 40. So let me check which is B is the greatest. So let me check for first A. So let me give 90, 80, 70. So A is the greatest. So this is how we can write the program in Python where if statements and the operators greater than and. Okay. So that's all about this program, guys. So for more such programmatic based videos, please do follow us on our YouTube, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends. And also we do have our Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram, and go and find us or type MyGo Minds and also do follow us for more updates. Thank you so much.